How can you make a cryptocurrency that will experience 400% growth during a global economic collapse and pandemic? CyberVein can share the recipe. Step 1. Take some blockchain technology. If it's not technological enough, reinvent some fundamental blockchain principles, create better efficiency, erase block confirmation, lower transaction fees, and add some speed and scalability. Step 2. Take a database. Season it with safe and reliable virtual machine operations. Add some efficiently aggregated data and enjoy cross-level, cross-departmental data sharing with improved timeliness, diversity, stock, and density. Step 3. Distribute some machine learning workflows. First, train the datasets locally, keeping all the parties' data safe and not compromising privacy. Then, return the trained model back to the server and create a shared one to protect data security and realize the true value of data. Be careful. An unprecedented growth of over 800% may happen at any time, and hungry businesses may burn up the wires trying to order the new products first. CyberVein, interconnecting the data that runs the world.